Registering for the Syngenta Turf Landscape website gives you access to additional services and the Turf Rewards program. Today I'm going to show you how to register. Click on the Register button and then fill in the form. It's a pretty simple form. Just a first name, last name, and an email address. Confirm your email address and set up a password. Your password has to be 8 digits, have a uppercase, some digits, and a special character. That needs to be at least 8 characters long. Those passwords match. You accept the terms and conditions in the privacy policy and create a new account. After you've verified your details, you will get a pop-up message that says thank you for your registration, and it informs you that you will get an email in your inbox. Please check your spam. Sometimes it goes into there, but you will have a link on that email, and it's through that link that you complete the registration process. So here is the email that I have now received, advising me that I have registered on the website. To complete the registration, we need to click on this link or paste it into our browser. So I'm going to paste it into my browser by copying the link and then pasting it into my browser. Which will then take me to a page within the website confirming my registration. I can use this to log in and finalize some more details. Once you have clicked on the link, you will be taken to your profile page, which has the details that you filled in previously. You can fill in telephone numbers and addresses, which is very helpful, and you need to just identify what you are, whether you're a greenkeeper, dealer, manager. I'm going to make myself a superintendent today. I'm going to say I wish to be informed via email. Then we submit to the next tab. It'll ask me the organization I belong to and some of my preferences. I'm going to say that I am in golf and I have a name of my company. And finally, the last page you have to fill in is your preferences. And this is where you can subscribe to the newsletter, say that you're interested in golf, landscape, and any business notes. Articles. And then finally, you will be brought to the services. You don't have to subscribe to any initially. You can choose to come back and do this later. But I'm going to subscribe today to the weather service, to the historical weather information, and to the sprayer calculators.